Okay, if you have a air line from your air conditioner system out of your O-rings, and you don't have the O-rings by any chance, which we do most of the time, okay, this works for me. See, bed sealer. This little can, it costs you $10 at the store, right? We use it for tires so they don't leak. We put it around the rim, we air them up, and that's it. It doesn't hurt nothing. Put a little bit on the O-ring, okay? Don't get it inside the hose, just on the O-ring the best you can, okay? You put it on and you're ready to go, okay? Push it all the way in. Now the bolt that you took out, see all the rust? It was ready to break. So do not put the bolt back in. If you do, clean it really good and put grease. And if you do have it, put never cease, which I'm always have some right here. Okay, this won't work. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you clean it out. Now if you have one of these, see it has wires, it's almost nothing in it, but still works. Just clean the threads the best you can. Go around it. Be careful. If you're not sure about it, hold it with a vice grips. So take that rust out of there. See that big mark on my hand? This scar? When I was a teenager, my hand went right in. So that's how we learn. Oops. Alright. So now we're gonna use the never cease. Okay, as you can see, I put a little bit. It usually is with aluminum. Somehow this must be copper, but they both do good. So now you can put it on, and because this is metal and it goes into aluminum, they like to break. And if you break it, now you need to replace the whole line. I got to line it up a little bit. Okay, so now just you socket, tighten them up a little bit. Don't go crazy on it. It's a small screw. So that's it. That's all it goes. And that's it. So in O-rings, even in new O-rings, all O-rings, now I'm crazy with this thing. I put it on. And it's easy to clean. And doesn't hurt nothing. So I don't get any leaks. I put new condensers, new compressors, new O-rings, new whatever. I put it on. That thing is gonna last you for years, for a lifetime, because you only use a little bit. And it only costs $10. So now we're gonna do something crazy. We're gonna charge it. This is a 1224 YF. I do not have the machine, so I'm gonna vacuum it and I'm gonna charge it. So that'll be my next video. Bye bye.